Alrighty, YouTube, Facebook, Courtney Truman Steamers. Me and Ethan are headed to our third and last job of the day. This is a repeat client, Miss Maria. She has been using me for about 2 years now. Now her job is unique because the reason why, every now and then, well, I'm not gonna say every now and then, every other cleaning I would either CRB encapsulation cleaning or steam cleaning. So last cleaning, this is my 4th time. So the last cleaning was I did encap it, and this time I am going to hot water extract these carpets. So just pulling up now, last, and like I said, this is the 3rd and last job of the day. Then when I get in, I'm going to show you guys what are we going to be doing. And that would be it for Friday the 22nd. And then tomorrow we got an estimate and a you know what, if I'm not mistaken, I think this, I haven't, hold on, I can't remember, I have to look on the calendar. I think this is the first time I've had my new van at her house. Alright guys, let's go in here and see what we got going on. Alright guys, so we're in the house. Oh wow. Uh-oh, look at that. Oh, a lot of water stains on this. So this couch right here, I usually hand clean it. So I'm gonna have to hand clean this today. I'm gonna use a peroxide based product, get all those water stains out, all those stains. And then we got these 2 chairs right here. This chair, you guys have probably seen this these chairs and rugs before, because I've done a video on it before. Alright. Let's go. Marion, hey, nice to see you again.
Good to see you.
Alright, oh, I see that sofa.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's gonna take some work. And I'm gonna put a protection on it. See, like I never seen it that bad. Yeah.
And you know it has the Scotch guard too, so hopefully that'll help.
Okay, we'll see. All right. And then also the 3 rooms upstairs, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna do those first. Start setting up.
Okay. So the first one is that nursery right there.
The nursery. Okay.
Yeah. Mainly because of that black spot there. I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, we should be able to get that out. That black spot. Yeah, I should be able to get that out. Okay.
That's the main thing.
Carpet still. Because I know last time I encapped, and this time I'm going to extract the hot water.
Oh, not that one.
Not that one?
This one, my girls, I don't know. But anyway. And you know what? This here, I don't know if I should.
That's pretty good. We should be able to get it. Yeah, I'll do that for you.
Should I just move
Yeah.
And then the other one was maybe, if you had time, would you mind to do our closet? My husband just mentioned that.
Yeah, I can do it.
It's a small space.
Okay.
I'll show you real quick.
I think I've done the closet before, but I can do it.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Would you be able to run over that rug too?
Yeah, I can do that.
Thank you. And come on, let me see. Come on. No, I love you too.
So these 2 rooms and then the closet.
Yeah. And when we get our stuff together, we'll have you back and do more.
Okay, that's
So
fine.
This is all we can do right now.
That's fine.
Yeah, especially, I don't know.
Oh,
There's
yeah.
stuff on the
Okay.
spots on the floor.
Okay.
The babies come up here when he's dressing and they
Okay, so we'll pull this rug out.
Yeah.
Or we can.
Okay.
It's pretty clean under there.
The rug is
yeah, so just leave it. We'll just go on top of the rug.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going ahead and get started. And this is my new assistant, Ethan.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
And
I'll move that red.
Move that rug. Okay. All right, Mary. Well, we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to start upstairs first and work ourselves down.
Okay. And are the fumes going to be?
Nah, it shouldn't be too bad.
No. Okay.
Yeah. I mean, you want to take the kids somewhere? Or that's what you about
well,
to do?
they're going to be in the basement.
Okay, it'll be fine. Yeah.
But I didn't know if I should open the windows.
Nah, it should be fine. All right, so we'll do these up here first. Go ahead and set up. Go ahead and get the sealer drawer up. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started. And we will come back and see the after results. So we're going to start setting up now. We're going to hot water extract those rooms, the closet, and yeah, I'm going to show you guys how good that sofa came out. All right, see you in the next one. Well, see you on this one, but then again, I'll still see you in the next one. All right, guys, so now we're doing the upholstery cleaning. Got all my accessories in. All right, so I got this pillow right here. I haven't done the rug yet.
Oh, okay.
No, we're going. Oh, we got it. We'll take care of it. All right, guys, we are done. My client, very happy. This is my 5th time being back. You can see the upholstery came out very great. See that, guys? Came out very good. So what we did was put the big blower on it, help it speed up the dry time. But just look how amazing they came out. So I'm really enjoying Ethan, my new assistant. He's definitely, and like I said, I didn't get him to make the job faster, but to make the job easier. And then we also got the rug. Okay. So we'll go ahead and start breaking down. Got it. right, Ethan, remember how I told you how to idle machine down? Unhook the hose and just put it on low idle. Yep. All right, guys, let's go upstairs and take a look at those 2 rooms. 2 rooms came out great. All right, so there we go. Now we had a little stain. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it was an ink stain or what. That was the best I was able to get it. And then this room right here came out very great too. Hold on, what is that? Oh man, I think that's from the fan. And then this room right here. So let me get some spotter. Get that. I think that's when Ethan put the fan down on the carpet and the little black leg, because that happens sometimes. But the customer's happy. I always charge her the same, guys. Just charge her $500. But she also gave me a cash tip. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna split this with Ethan. How much she gave me? 20. She gave me 20, 40, 60, 80. Oh wow. Oh wow, guys. So customer gave me like $100 tip. Yeah, she gave me $104 in tips. I want to split this with Ethan, so Ethan had a good payday today. So that's awesome. I know he's going to enjoy that. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and finish wrapping up. I'm in charge of the cleaning. Ethan's in charge of the setting up and breaking down. And like I said, not to make the job easier, but make it faster. All right, guys. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.